Hey guys, welcome to Math Day 30. So this week we are only thinking about adding and subtracting all the way up to 30. We're doing both of them. So I know last week we focused on just adding or just subtracting. So this week it's both. And we have to determine, is it adding or are we subtracting, okay? So make sure that you have your 20 frame. Make sure you have a marker and eraser if you're using the back of your 20 frame as your whiteboard. And of course, make sure that you have your hundreds chart because it's so important now because next week we are thinking about money, okay? And that's complicated if we do not know how to count by fives and tens. All right, here we go. So let's count by tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, now let's count by fives. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it in a monster voice. Oh my goodness gracious, do it in a monster voice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Sounds like my monsters from the South. All right, let me put down my hundreds chart. You can put away your hundreds chart, and let's get working on our math. So here is the plan. We are only going to do two problems. We're going to figure out, is it adding or subtracting? How do we know? And then we're going to solve. We're going to use our hundreds chart. Not 100, I'm so sorry, not our hundreds chart. Our 20 frame. Make sure you have your counters. I have my counters. And if you want, you can use the back of your 20 frame. Mine has magnets. But you can use the back of your 20 to draw those dots that I draw, okay? So let's look at our first problem. Here we go. Kiara jumped in the pool 11 times. Wow. Then she jumped in 2 more times. How many times did she jump in all together? So let's first figure out, are we adding or subtracting? So I see the word more. Let me undo that actually. I don't want to circle it. I want to underline it. Oh, you know what? I missed my step. I got to circle the numbers first. Circle my 2 numbers, 11 and 2. I see more. That is telling me that we are adding. And I see all together, which means we are adding. Okie dokie. So Kiara jumped in the pool 11 times. So how many dots am I going to draw first? 11 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, how many more times did she jump in the pool? 2 more times. Am I going to take that away? No, I'm going to add it on. So 1, 2, this is kind of stinky. All right, so if I were to supersize, I know the top is 10. I'm going to count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. Do I have my awesome marker up here? Oh, it's right here. It's on the ground. 13. A 1 and a 3, 13. Okie dokie. All right, now let's do it on our 20 frame. Go ahead and turn over your 20 frame if you're using the back. Let me see all of those squares. So how many times should you jump in the pool first? How many times? 11 times. 1, 2, bring it closer. Ooh, make sure they more. Here we go. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oops, only 11. My bad. 11. All right, how many more times should you jump in the pool? 2 more times.
1, 2. So I know that my answer is 13. Wow, Kiara, really going for it with jumping in the pool. Super impressive, girly. Impressive. All right, here we go. We're doing one more. Penelope had 18 treats. Whoa. Then she ate 5. How many treats does Penelope have left? So I'm going to circle my numbers. All right, now I'm going to try and find out, are we adding or subtracting? So I see left. Miss Squeeze's hair is getting super long. Left. So that tells me that we are subtracting. We are subtracting. So am I going to draw 18 dots and then 5 more? No, I'm only drawing how many dots? 18. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, am I going to add 5 more dots? No, I'm going to cross out 5 dots. 1, remember I start from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many? Oh my goodness, should we get the same answer? I didn't even do that. 13. If I subitize, I see it's 10. I'm going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13, y'all. Oh my goodness, I'm so silly. I didn't mean to do that. 13. Lucky number 13, apparently. Okie dokie, go ahead and erase your board or go ahead and get your 20 frame. We're going to do it with our counters. All right, so how many counters am I going to put up there first? Am I going to do 18 and then 5 more? I don't think so. Here we go. Let's do 18 because we're subtracting. We're only putting up 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. My goodness, 18. All right, how many am I going to take away? How many counters am I going to take away? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that is 13. All right, good job, you guys. I know that in your packets, Miss Queenie made her own packets, just like you guys have your packets. And I know that you guys have a bunch of word problems like this. Make sure you're finishing these this week. This is the last time you're going to see them this year, okay? So make sure you finish all of these word problems. Super important that you are practicing, okay? Because you're going to be doing a lot of that in first grade. All right, guys. All right, I will see you next for reading. Go to reading.